You know what's pretty cool? Nature. And you know where I am today? Nature. In nature, you can do all kinds of things, like taking pictures of various bugs and or shrubbery. Look at that. A dandelion. Simply admiring the scenery. Wow. Okay. Getting various pictures for social media to share with friends and family and other people that you may or may not know. You could also hide in the grass, like I just did. You could search for Bigfoot. Howdy. I really have to pee. Nature is just such a wonderful place. What is that? You can play hide and go seek with the friends you may or may not have. Here I am. You can look for woodpeckers, beavers, and other animals of the wilderness. What was that buzzing noise? Okay, it's just a leaf. Nature. God made it, so you better like it.